Hi, welcome to 1 Minute Walks. This is a walk that celebrates Wimbledon's All England Tennis Club, and nature lovers will adore the amazing Richmond Park. The Isabella Plantation is one of my favourite places in London. It's always beautiful. 1 Minute Walks is best viewed on its website, 1minutewalks.com. Here you have access to the interactive map, which has loads of information and pictures. Also, there's a step-by-step guide that you can print along with the information. This walk ends with the cafes and bars at Richmond's Riverside. And we stroll through Richmond's lanes full of craft, fashion and jewellery boutiques. This is a stunning walk. If you like this walk, please share 1minutewalks.com with your friends, subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.